Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I revived my old fondant. It's up to 2 months before I do discard them, but now I will show you how I revived them. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free. You can see my old fondant. On a normal day, I'll just discard them. Even look, it's as if it's wet. It's as if it's melting off. On a normal day, I'll just discard them without even thinking twice. But right now, I'll show you how I revived them. And I was even able to use them again and even save the rest for next use. So you can save your fondant more than a month, and this is running season yet. It is still intact, it is still working, and it's still useful for me. And it can also be useful for you if you do the right thing. You only need your cornstarch, your corn flour. Take your time and knit it very well. It is so soft. As you're knitting, if it's sticking on your pens, make sure you use your cornstarch. Sprinkle on your work surface or dust it on your hands, and you continue. Keep kneading and you will notice that your fondant is coming back to life. The secret of reviving old fondant and the secret of having good fondant is having a good recipe. Are you sure you're working with the right recipe? Are you sure your fondant recipe is working for you? If you're not sure of it, I will put my fondant recipe for all weather in my description box below. Feel free to use it. For what I mean for all weather, it is trusted and it is texted and I trust it so much, and you will come back and give your testimony if you try this recipe. So you cannot revive fondant when you don't even have a good recipe. So you can only revive the ones you're sure that the recipe is superb, is working. There are working recipe and there are recipes that are not working. All recipes are not working, but there are ones that works more than others. So try out my fondant recipe and I know you will come back to thank me later. You can see how stretchy my fondant is looking because I'm using the right recipe. As you can see, this fondant is back to life, is looking good and is ready. You can use your cling film to wrap it very well, and you put it in your bag. Now I will still do the same with this one. I notice it's still soft, as if it's melting out also, so I'll still repeat the same method here. If you have not liked my video, please click on the like button. Feel free to share, feel free to ask questions. It's important you give me some thumbs up so that other people will be able to see this video and enjoy it as well. still the same method I'll be repeating with this white one, but I have another one that is very strong, as if it's stone. So how can I revive that one? So make sure you watch to the end of this video. This particular one is very strong, like stone. You can hear the sound. Use a knife and cut into pieces. You can use anything. I'm using my scraper here, but if you cannot cut it into pieces, please, you have to boil. You have to boil it a little. I was able to cut mine into pieces and start trying kneading them. But if your cutting is still too hard, you have to boil it. You have to tie it very well. Put it on a saucepan with little water. Boil for 5 minutes and you remove it immediately and you start kneading. Or you can microwave it for at least 5 seconds and you start kneading. But after cutting in pieces, I was able to knead it. You can see my fondant is ready. Everything is possible with progressive cakes and nourishment. So if today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that if I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Please, if you have not liked this video, it's important you click on the like button, thumbs up, give me some thumbs up so that other people will enjoy this video as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.